NZXT H500 expands on our vision for modern PC building and improves upon the best features found on our most popular cases. With an intuitive design and performance-optimized layout, the H500 makes it easier than ever for you to build and show off your PC like never before. We've simplified the entire building process by reimagining cable management solutions to easily accommodate all types of builds. With an integrated cable management kit and a repositionable cable management bar, tuck away cables and spend less time managing the clutter. With a removable front radiator bracket and integrated reservoir mount, installing all-in-one liquid coolers or assembling custom water cooling loops is painless inside or outside the case. The entire layout is optimized for excellent airflow and provides enough space for you to install hardware in multiple configurations. From our quick-release SSD mounts, PSU shroud, and motherboard tray to our vertical graphics card support, available on the H500i. Customize your build for performance. Integrated RGB lighting and fan control is available on our H500i to builders who want those features built into the case without having to install them. The H500i comes with pre-installed smart device with integrated lighting and fan control, as well as adaptive noise reduction functionality. The NZXT H500s are available now in white, black, red, and blue at all authorized retail locations, and you can learn more about it at nzxt.com.
The most common question when it comes to PC building is always the same. Where do I start? Building your own computer for the first time can often be an intimidating task, so we've gone through the trouble of making that experience a little less scary. Introducing the next level, the Level 20 MT. Complemented with a tempered glass front and side panel, the MT offers a gorgeous view of your internals and is highly durable if the worst should happen. Inside the case you'll find 3 ARGB case fans, adding much needed RGB goodness to your system, allowing your personality to fully shine through. And before you ask, the MT doesn't compromise on airflow. Air travels through the 2 cavities in the front of the case and is expelled out the back by the rear intake fan, ensuring the interior is kept cool and quiet. The MT supports radiators on both the top and front of the case, with the defining feature being that you can side mount your radiator to give your build that extra bit of flair. The case also comes with a handy power supply cover to give the interior an unclean finish and a perfect place to hide all those unwanted cables. When it comes to storage, we've added plenty of space to add your hard drives and SSDs. The MT also comes fully equipped with the latest I/O, including an ARGB controller, allowing to switch between different color presets and lighting modes. So in the end, the Level 20 MT is the end result of nearly 20 years of Thermaltake's ingenuity and experimentation. It's the case that delivers on all fronts and provides that very first step into the world of PC building. So, are you ready for the next level?